The flexibility of dropshipping options within Ordoro allows you to customize your dropshipping process. It's important to set up your dropshipping assignments properly so that the dropshipping workflow within your account matches your company's process and can be more hands-free for you. You can set your products to be sent automatically or to be approved prior to sending to the supplier. This tutorial is going to demonstrate how to make these different assignments a product at a time or in bulk. So to get started, we'll go to the product section within our Ordoro account. And then we're going to select some products in bulk here that we would like to update. So let's say I want to set these 3 products to have the same supplier options. I'm going to select those checkboxes, go to Product Actions, and Set Supplier and Dropshipper. So currently these are set to be handled in-house, which means I would be shipping it myself. But I can assign a supplier from this dropdown and select Dropship. And what that means is these products will be assigned to be dropshipped by the supplier when I click the process button. So these are non-automatic. I don't have this automatic checkbox selected. So when they come into my Ordoro account, any new orders, they'll be in my awaiting fulfillment section. I'll be able to select them and approve them before they're sent. But if I don't need to do any sort of approval for my products, then I will select the automatic checkbox. And what this means is as soon as the order comes in with a product that is set to be automatically dropshipped, it's going to be instantly emailed over to the supplier. Once I have all of that set properly, I'll hit save, and you'll see that it updates those products in bulk. Now, if I wanted to set one product at a time, I can click on the product name and assign a supplier here. And then currently this product is set as handled in-house by default, but I can select dropship here and automatic if it's going to be automatic. And that's how to do it one by one. Or if you want to update them in bulk with a kind of a mixed batch, you can use our data import feature. Select the assign dropship suppliers option. And what this is going to allow you to do is create a file that has all of the SKUs that need to be assigned and then a mixed batch of suppliers. You can update that here, drag and drop it in here and go through the data import process, and then you'll be saving your new product supplier assignments for those dropship items. So now, whenever an order comes in that is set to be dropshipped but not automatic, it's going to be here in my awaiting fulfillment filter. And when I select a batch of orders that have a dropship item in them, I can go to the dropshipping panel of the shipping panel, and you'll see that we've detected one order with dropship ready products in this list. So when I hit process one order, it's going to send the email to the supplier at that point. Now, if I had selected products to be automatically dropshipped, whenever they come into my Ordoro account, they're going to be immediately emailed to the supplier, and they'll be in this dropshipment requested filter because the request has been sent off. And that's basically all you got to do to set your products up to be dropshipped. If you have any questions about that process, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching.